use 1 minute to be able to make $5.90. You heard that right. Every minute you're going to be able to make over $5 again and again. And now I want you guys to take a look at this. $5, $7, $10, up to $20 sent straight into your PayPal account. You guys are going to absolutely love it. So if you want to know how you can do this, then make sure you check out. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, so you can be the first to know and try it out. In just a few minutes, I'm going to show you everything step by step right here on this video. Don't worry, everything is completely free and no hidden fees and no investments and no payment, and yes, it's available all over the world. So let's jump right into it. So first of all, I want you to go on to YouTube and search for the keyword motivational video, and from there you're going to be able to find different videos that's posted by other people. It's getting hundreds and millions of views on this website. Now, don't worry, you're not going to be creating any of your own videos. You don't need any YouTube. You don't need any camera. I'm just going to show you a secret that is going to help you make money and from other people's YouTube videos. Now, check this out. For some of this video right here, best motivational video, over millions of views. So many videos with so many millions of views. Now, next up, you're going to choose 3 videos from the whole list, okay? I'm just going to open this one in another tab, and then this one for another tab, and another one on the other tab. Now that I've opened up all 3 videos, okay, step 1 is you're going to choose 3 different YouTube videos on this category. And then from there, which you already did that, we are going to go on to UII.io. And this is where you're going to be able to earn PayPal money and get paid every single time people click on your link. And again, it's 100% free. You don't need to invest any money. You don't need any credit card. You don't need to sell anything or refer anybody. No affiliate marketing needed. And the concept is very easy. You're just going to create an account for completely free. You're going to shorten your link. And I'm going to show you how to do that in just a moment. And every single time someone clicks on your shortened link, you're going to get paid PayPal money. And that's exactly how people from all around the world are earning and getting paid real money every single day. Now, you're going to see here $12 and all of these amounts of money again and again. You're going to get paid per click. And depending on who is clicking on your link, you're going to get paid in different amounts of money. For example, people from the UK, when they click on your link, you're going to get paid $7. People from Norway, if they click on your link, you're going to get paid $5. And you can check out all of the different rates for all of the different countries, all of the different locations on their website. But again, it's the same concept to shorten your link and get people to click on your link, and then you're going to get paid over and over again to do so. So that's the entire strategy as a whole, okay? Which is what we're going to be doing, okay? So we're going to go onto YouTube. We're going to find different videos, just like what I've showed you. 3 different YouTube videos, and from there we're going to go down below. You can look for the share button. As you can see, you're going to click on the share button, and then you're going to be able to find a YouTube link, right? You're going to see this, and then you're going to copy this link, okay? And this is the link that you're going to be using in UII.io. So you're going to go back to UII.io to shorten this YouTube link, make it even shorter, and in a moment, I'm going to show you how you're going to do this by using a brand new account. And when people click on your shortened link, boom, you're going to get paid. And then we're going to move on to the next question, which is how are you actually going to get free visitors and free traffic and get people to click on your shortened link, right? But first, if you guys want to learn how you can make even more money online, over $1,000, make sure you go ahead and check out our description box down below, because we have a little surprise for you there. Make sure you check out the description box down below to make even more money every single day. And I want you guys to answer this question in the comments down below. What are you going to be doing with the money that you're going to be earning from today's method? I'm just curious, and while you're at it, include what country you come from and what other videos you'd like to see in the future so that we can note them down. Anyway, moving forward, okay, we know that's the problem, right? We know the problem is how we're going to get free visitors, how we're going to get free traffic, how we're going to get people to click. And that is where I want to show you this copy and paste script. And as you can see here, basically, the name of the script is Motivate Yourself Like Never Before, or you can, make it your own, but just somewhere along the lines of that. And this is the entire article that I have prepared for you. We're going to use this script right here. You can copy and paste this, okay? All you have to do is just, maybe pause this video, take a snapshot of it, or just type it down, copy it. It's completely free. You can use it, or if you want, you can also maybe make something similar if you want your own words into it, if you want your own ideas into the script with the same kind of concept. Obviously, you can just take away some ideas, an idea or two, a concept or two, a sentence or two, make it your own if you want to. But if you just want to use this, you can do that. So obviously you're just going to use this copy and paste template, and then you're going to be able to receive PayPal money every single day. Okay, obviously at the end is where you're gonna have to insert your affiliate link. Now you have to make sure that your affiliate link is very catchy, and the tag phrase that's gonna go before your affiliate link has to be even catchier, because that's how you're gonna get people to click on the button, right? So you're obviously gonna put that in the end. You're gonna see how I did that as well, so you just copy that the way that I did it. So now you have to sign up for a free account to be able to start earning money. So all you have to do is click on this button to sign up for completely free, and that's going to take you to this page where, as you can see here, where you're going to be able to register for completely free, new membership and all you have to do is bring your username, your email, your password, and register for completely free. And from there, as soon as you're logged into your brand new account, that's what you're going to see. And basically, you're going to see how many clicks you're getting, how much money you're going to be receiving every single day. And of course, it's a brand new account, so everything is zero right now because you still haven't shortened any links, you still haven't posted any of the scripts anywhere. And I'm going to show you an exact example using this brand new account, starting from scratch, so that if you're watching right now, you can do every single thing that I am showing you. You can copy everything and really make zero mistakes. So now, all you have to do is click on this button, okay, new shortened link, and from there, it's going to open up this box. And as you can see here, okay, what you're going to do is you're going to go back to YouTube, okay, the first video that we actually chose, click on the share button, copy the YouTube URL link, and then go back to my dashboard, paste the link right there into this box. And for the alias, actually, you could just put in like a motivational one. And then right there, okay, I'm just going to click on the shorten button, and they're going to automatically shorten the YouTube URL link into a very special UII.io shortened link, a very unique one. And whenever people click on this link, they're gonna go to the YouTube video, start watching the video, and boom, you can get paid per click. So now you just have to copy this shortened link right here, and then we're going to go back to our copy paste script. We're going to scroll down below, we're going to look for the page or the section of this page, and I'm going to show you the link into this column. So obviously right now we're going to just paste the link here. This is where you're going to paste your link, and then you can also put in the second video link and then the third video link. So you're going to be making more because more people will click on them because you have more videos in this script. So that's the reason why I want you to find different videos on YouTube. Several, as much as you can. Now let's just say this is the second video right there, okay? All you have to do is do the same exact strategy. Obviously, again, you're going to copy that link, paste it, same old, same old. And then as soon as you've completed that and done that, you're pretty much good to go. Now we have to think, where can we possibly share this link? Okay, you're going to open up slideshare.com. And on slideshare.com, so many people come to this website posting different documents, different slides, different information with other people. So it's an amazing way to get your links out there. You're going to download this file, this script, into your computer. You're going to open up SlideShare, and then you're going to upload this file onto SlideShare. It's super amazing. Like and subscribe before going any further because it really helps the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll be kept updated on all of our videos. And we promise you, you won't regret it. You can also comment below what you guys are loving so far about today's video so we can read through them and maybe even respond to some. So let's proceed. So now you're going to sign up for a free account. You just have to click on this button right on the top, and it's going to take you to this page where you can sign up for a completely free account. And then from there, you can just click on the upload button on top, and that's going to take you to the page where you can upload a file. And that's where we're going to be uploading our PDF file on slideshare.net. As you can see, they have over 169 million monthly visitors, and a lot of people that come over to this website is looking to learn something. They want to learn new skills. They want to gain new knowledge. And that is where, and this is why, this is the perfect place to share the document for completely free to other people, to millions of people, where people can actually read on them, get the value if they want to, gain more information, or if they even want to watch the video, they can click on your link, which they are going to do. It's going to take them to YouTube. They can start watching this video, and they're going to get over millions of views on YouTube, and it's a win-win situation. So make sure you do everything that I had just discussed, because you guys are going to regret it if you don't. It's super duper easy, and that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.